Is the Ecowarm portable heater the solution to your winter chills or just another empty promise burning through your wallet? Today, we're putting the Ecowarm portable heater to the test, dissecting its claims of energy efficiency, heating performance, and safety to separate fact from fiction. First up, energy efficiency. Ecowarm boasts of low wattage consumption, but does it translate to actual savings? We'll measure its power draw and compare it to standard heaters to see if it truly reduces your electricity bill. Next, heating performance. We'll gauge how quickly and effectively the Ecowarm heats a standard-sized room, noting the temperature increase over a specific time frame. Safety is paramount. We'll examine crucial safety features like type overprotection and overheat shutoff to ensure the Ecowarm is safe for your home and family. We'll analyze the data collected from our tests, comparing its performance against traditional heaters and dissecting user reviews to provide a balanced perspective. So, is the Ecowarm a legitimate way to stay warm or a scam that leaves you cold? Stay tuned for our final verdict.